Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to sign up to Webtoon application using your Android or iOS device. First of all, download and install Webtoon from your Google Play Store or App Store and launch the app on your device. Once you open up the Webtoon application, allow necessary permissions such as notifications, and you'll then come across this login interface. Go ahead and select one of the login methods. I'm gonna choose continue with email. If you don't have an account yet for Webtoon, from the email option you chose, go to the bottom and tap on sign up to start the registration. On the next page, enter your email address you want to sign up with. Once done, head over to the password field and create a password for your Webtoon account. Enter the password once again in the next field. Once you are done, go to the bottom and on the next field, enter a nickname for yourself. Tap on this little circle at the bottom to consent to the terms of use and privacy policy. And finally, after you are ready, tap on sign up at the bottom. Now, you'll need to check your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox for the same email that you just entered. You'll then receive an email from Webtoon. Click on it to open it up and click on Verify Your Email button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for Webtoon. Next time, sign in using your email and the newly password that you created while signing up and tap on Login in order to sign in to your Webtoon application. So after you do that, you will be able to sign up or create a new account for Webtoon. Explore the trending comics and subscribe to your favorites to never miss new episodes. So that is how you can easily sign up on a Webtoon application in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.